Hello you guys, it's DeFeed channel here. In the light of the recent events, I think the topic of crypto wallet has become super important than ever. So in this video, we'd like to tell you more about our friends, Keystone Wallet. Our constant viewers know that we actually made a video about Keystone not a while ago, and in previous review, we unpacked it and studied the functionality of the Keystone crypto wallet. Just to remind you real quick, it is a 100% air-gapped QR code communication hardware wallet for your favorite crypto, of course, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDT, Tron, LTC, Dash, Polkadot, you name it, more than 1,000 cryptos out there. The team recently introduced just lots of crucial updates, so we decided to check out all the improvements. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, and I'll share how to get your personal solid discount for Keystone products. So let's get it on. Here, as you could remember, the wallet has cold storage with an open source. Also 4-inch touchscreen and PSBT Bitcoin multi-sig support. As you can guess, one of the key features of Keystone is QR code scanning. Also fingerprint sensor, blinding signing, and you can see here all your NFTs that you own. And the most interesting thing we have mentioned is also a self-destruct mechanism, which makes the usage more secure and protected. Keystone was known as Kobo Vault QR code wallet, but in 2021, a rebranding to Keystone took place. So actually, that's why the products look kind of similar, but besides the name, actually they provided a lot of software and hardware updates. If you thought that's it, well, it certainly isn't. So here's more what you can do with Keystone. You can add multiple addresses under each asset as a compatible with BIP 32, 39, and 44. The device supports adding up to 9 new addresses at a time in batches. You can also add and manage a list of tokens on your Keystone mobile app. You can also customize the names of your sending addresses and receiving addresses in your address book and hardware wallets. As you know, Keystone is an offline wallet, so Keystone will record transaction signatures even if you are not broadcasted. There is also an opportunity to third-party integrations of Bitcoin wallets, ETH and Web3 wallets, and also Solana wallets and other DApp stuff. Besides, since our last review, they have updated the list of integration, which is very impressive. So let's take a look at that. First things first, they finally announced integrations with Solflare, which is Solana wallet, if you didn't know. So previously they only had it in plans. You can easily connect it to your Keystone Pro. Well, just watch their tutorial on their official website. The further update is an integration with Sender wallet. Sender is a non-custodial browser extension wallet tailored to Near protocol. It provides a one-stop wallet solution for users to send, receive, and also store Near-based assets easily and securely. And by the way, Sender wallet is currently available in the Chrome Web Store. Their third new integration is Go+ Security Database, which is actually an important update in terms of data security. So by integrating with Go+ Security Database, Keystone will be able to better decode all transactions when interacting with public chains, non-custodial wallets, DEXs, crypto data aggregators, and etc. Apart from that, together with Go+ Security, Keystone improved the user experience with more security information displayed, which is like contracts authenticity, operation, risk factors, and etc. And can you believe it? It's all on their 4-inch screen, which is like giving the early warning before it's too late. As a signer, Keystone moves a step forward in combining blind signing again. By the way, please meet their new integration with Chainbase, which is responsible for Web3 blockchain interaction layer infrastructure. And so by collaborating with Chainbase, Keystone could quickly and easily access and utilize blockchain networks and easily build other Web3 applications in the future. I think this would certainly ease the team from constantly constructing infrastructure and keep their main focus on hardware wallet itself. So with Chainbase's API sub-second response speed, Keystone will be able to bring faster and more secure experience to its users. Besides, this collaboration has even more plans, as Keystone will also adopt Chainbase API on application layer to release like diverse services of their hardware wallet. Also, a new integration with the sensational Gnosis Safe is now available on Keystone. The big plan of many Web3 users is that you can sign every transaction in just a few clicks. But using the hardware wallet, you can not see all the information regarding the transaction. And that's why sometimes we cannot be sure what we are signing, which honestly can lead to unpleasant consequences. So as you can see from the picture right over here, they turn complicated crypto transaction details into like human readable format. I think that is super cool feature, as now we're able to get an easy understanding and have like full transparency on the transactions that we are approving. Besides that, the team also constantly maintains an open source smart contract metadata registry and also welcomes all developers to leverage it and improve the product security level via APIs. As of now, Keystone is fully integrated with the Safe extension app. Okay, hold on a second here. One of the main updates of this year from Keystone is that it is the first hardware wallet that supports Aptos, the hottest brand new blockchain. They provided the new integration with Future Wallet, which is actually one of the leading wallets from the Aptos ecosystem. Future is a Web3 wallet that unlocks just a universe of application in Aptos blockchain. It's developed by a team with more than 15 years of experience in software development. Combine it with 5 years of working on blockchain. Okay, finally, the last integration is the Sub wallet, which actually belongs to the Polkadot ecosystem this time. At the moment, Sub wallet is fully compatible with both Substrate and EVM chains. It currently supports over 80 networks in the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystem. So this integration will enable Keystone users to access and manage their assets on both the Polkadot and also Kusama ecosystem via connecting with Sub wallets. So let's go through Sub wallet's UI main features. So they have inbuilt portfolio tracker to monitor native and multi-chain crypto assets. Also, NFT assets tracker and management. They support sending and receiving of various crypto assets, well, obviously, and signing and verifying transactions. And lastly, crowd loan management, in-app staking, and XCM transfer. Okay guys, so what else can I add here? I think in such a short period of time, the Keystone team did a lot of work. They keep up with the times and adapt the needs of their users, which is actually a great indicator here. And the best thing is that they do not stop on their achievements. Well, soon the team actually published that they are preparing just a list of new integrations, like Cosmos with Kepler and Cosmopolitan Wallet, Avalanche with Core Wallet, Cardano with Eternal Wallet, and also Aptos with Petra Wallet. And moreover, they're going to integrate our Wave with our Connect. And actually, it is possible that they're going to be the first crypto hardware wallet that supports our Wave. And yeah, guys, as I promised you earlier, you can get just a massive discount on Keystone products. Well, how? Actually, the team provided it exclusively for DeFeed viewers. Well, just type the promo code DeFeed when purchasing wallets and get a 35% discount. Well, it will be valid within 2 weeks, starting from November 25th. And make sure you use this rare chance to improve your crypto security. And by the way, they've recently just rebuilt their own official website, which is actually open to any of your suggestions. It is keys.one. And so if you are a Keystone user, you're always able to contact the team and tell them which integrations and features you like to see. And for the rest of you guys, you can always leave your comments and opinions about Keystone in the comment section down below about what integrations you are expecting the most. In my opinion, the team did just massive work to pull all these integrations together in such a short period of time. So if you need a hardware wallet, well, Keystone definitely should be on your consideration list. As always, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode.